Hey everybody, good morning. A little bit of a winter going on out here. Can't wait to head south in a week and get away from the snow for a bit. But I just wanted to go over my Yamaha Tenere 700. A couple of things I've done to it since the last video. So I put the tail tidy on by Camel ADV. Pretty easy to do once you get the other tail light off. The other tail light has about 150 bolts and it's crazy, but once this is on, I opted for the LEDs. They're just little cheap ones from Amazon. And Camel ADV, they have two tail tidies, two options. One just has holes for LEDs, I think they're 10 millimeter. And then this one is version 2, which comes with the stock cutouts for the regular taillights. So you have to buy inserts or adapters for the LEDs. And that's a pain in the butt. The adapters don't fit. I've tried 3 different sets. So I had to glue them on. However, they do fit on the plastics of the actual bike. So maybe Camel ADV will include some that fit their product. If not, I recommend buying, if you're going to do LEDs, buy the tail light. The tail tidy that just has the holes for the LEDs, because that's just a pain and it doesn't look that great. But it looks slick. I like this. Got rid of the big rear end. Another upgrade was I went with the Camel ADV tank. It just adds a little over a gallon. I think it's a gallon and a third or something. I like it. The install was really simple. The fuel range on these bikes isn't fantastic, so a little more peace of mind. Fits on there pretty nice. One thing of note, I don't know if you can see up under there, but that's the vent valve. It is heading my top rack. So just be aware of that. It will hit the top rack on some of these versions. This is Outback Motor, I think it's Outback MotorTrek. Or Outback Designs from Australia. But I'm going to get a new rack anyway. That's something to think about. But the tank is awesome. I got the rally pegs, the low rally pegs from T7 Rally out of England. They're massive. They fit me. They're quite a bit lower. Their first version, there were some reports of them kind of bending. One snapped. So I'll keep an eye on these, report back. And oh yeah, real quick, and I think this has been talked about a ton, but the regular seat on the Yamaha, hold on a sec, is held in by 2 bolts, and this has been talked about, but I'll cover it real quick. And it's a pain, but if you just unscrew those, and then this thing here, flip it upside down like it is, then it's just 2 posts. Super easy to do. Put the seat back in. Slides down on those posts. No using that Allen key. And you're set. Simple. Another thing I did. Oh yeah, here's the LEDs on the front. And those, when you buy the adapters, they snap right into this plastic here. No fit issues at all. So that was easy. And then, oh yeah, I got the T7 Rally out of England again, this height adjuster. Just undo these. And you can slide it up. Even more than that to adjust. So I'll try that out for buffeting issues. And then I put just a real simple double USB charger, and it gives me a volt readout, so it's 12.8 right now. I just have it simple so I can charge my bike or keep the battery tender, have it on a battery tender. That also disconnects right here. And then I also mounted for my heated gear. And then Rottweiler fold mirrors. Got rid of the stock ones. They cause a lot of buffeting, and I'm tall, 6'4", so these are really nice when you're riding trails. You can go vertical on them. Boom. I think that's about it on this. Let me show you the LEDs. Get the bike. Oh, the bike sounds so good. Great sounding bike. So the LEDs, you can see them on. When the bike's just running, they're just running lights to complement the stock headlight. And that's what they look when they're on. I like them. Real simple. The back ones you have to tap into the brake line to have them running like the brake light, so I didn't do that. I just skipped that part. But yeah, that's my setup so far. I don't think I added anything else. Oh yeah, the Outback MotorTrek pannier or these guards. I really like them. But I'll tell you what, once they're on the bike, you don't want to take them off. They are really hard to remove. And also, if you're going to put on the tail tidy and the Camel tank, it's way better to do before you buy the rack system. You just need to be able to access in here. You can see the gas line connection. So with that stuff off before you mounted it ever, makes it super easy. Yeah, the bike's been pretty good. Super fired up to check it out. I almost forgot. Another thing I wanted to talk about was this. So, new rally seat. Ordered it from England. Showed up. Tall, comfortable, fits me really nice. And then also the giant loop MotorTrek pannier system. It's awesome. Let me show you. So I ordered the rally seat from England. It didn't take that long, about 350 bucks. The seat on this bike for my height, stock seat, wasn't that comfortable. So this guy, I sit up nice and tall. I can move around when I'm riding on the dirt, and one piece construction, easy to get on and off. Don't even have to deal with those bolts I mentioned earlier, so super stoked. And then the giant loop MotorTrek panniers. This will be my go-to system for longer trips. They're great, super tough, real lightweight, 100% waterproof, just a roll top enclosure. And you can add one of their Possibles pouches on the front or rear for extra carrying capacity, or any mole style pouch. Just strap it through these. The coolest thing is they have a backing plate that you can purchase separately, and it attaches to the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 points. Very easy. And then this is also a locking system. You just go like this. Bag comes off, and then you can carry it to your camp. There you go. If you want to put it back on, press this button in, locks in place, little key to undo it. I love that system. Very simple, lightweight, heavy duty bomber. I think it looks good on the bike too. So that's my setup. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there, enjoy your rides, and I'll be doing some updates from down south. I'll make a good video series, so really appreciate the folks watching, and I'll get better and better at this. This is all new to me. Thank you.